Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download FuboTV on an LG Smart TV and how to sign in using your iPhone. Let's get started. First turn on your LG Smart TV and make sure it's connected to the internet. Using your LG remote, press the home button. From the menu, open the LG content store. Once inside, go to search and type Fubo. When you see the app in the results, select it and choose install. Wait a few moments for the app to download. After installation is complete, select open. Now the Fubo app will launch on your LG Smart TV. You will see a sign-in screen with an activation code or an option to sign in direct. Now grab your iPhone, open Safari on your iPhone and go to fubo.tv/connect. Sign in to your Fubo account using your email and password. Next, enter the activation code shown on LG Smart TV. Tap continue or activate. After a few seconds, your TV screen will refresh and Fubo will open automatically. That means your LG Smart TV is now connected to your account. And that's it. That's how to download and sign in to Fubo or an LG Smart TV using an iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.